bring you guys along for the journey.
Super tech.
Oh yeah, he's the super tech, baby.
Super tech.
Let's get out there.
Super tech.
Let's go take a look. Condensate drains plugged. Look, that's fully watered. Let me get that unplugged real quick. Tricks of the trade. NorCal's tip of the day. Get a bucket to drain it in. That line's plugged. Condensate line. Alright, let's get this. We'll get this drain line here blown out. That's where the condensate drain ends up coming out right there. Kind of dirty. Check. load. That's the same as having a gauge, 27. Here looks too funky. We'll check the inside of the coil. Let's go give it a look. I got a hit on that side of the coil. Yep. It's getting a hit on this side of the coil over here. Every time. Woo, right down in there. Let's see about up here. Some small hits. Hitting off on the bottom side of that coil. Alright, well, you can see it's a really old coil. What's the serial on this? Oh, maybe it ain't that old. Freaking bone. Oh, yeah, D93. F07S44. Might be 1993. That's old. So I gotta get a quote for a new 7,000 BTU coil. 115 volts. And we'll fix some electrical on here. And what else? I think that's about it. We'll have to give him the old gas and go for today. Okay, here's where we're at. We got to get this box cooling because it's full of product. So I'm gonna go ahead and top it off. I'm gonna get a quote made up for a new 7,000 BTU evaporator coil. That's my choice in there, a 7 or a 9. It's an 8,000 BTU condensing unit. I'll get another 7, that's what's in there. And we put this condensing unit in 2018. So the coil made it for what, 18, 19, 20, 21, almost 3 years. And now they gotta come up with the money for the coil. Evaporator coil. They didn't have the money at the time to do both, but we did both. There is a video of on my channel changing this out. It's the job where I found the My Little Pony. I remember that. Has a big old load on it right now because it's 50 something degrees. So that's about where I'd see my evaporator temperature, 28 degree evaporator for 404, until the load starts coming off that box. And then it should ride around a 20 degree evaporator, which is like 58 on the pressure reading. Yeah, 28, 27. And that'll come down as the temperature in the box pulls down, because it's got a load on it. So yep, we'll get a quote together for a new evaporator coil for this thing. Alright, coming back down the mountain. Pretty basic change out. See how we make out. A little bit of electrical. I'll get a new box and a switch. I gotta redo the drain. Pretty simple. I'll get a new solenoid coil that's not flared in. We'll get a sweat coil, sweat it in. Oh, and a little couple sticks of insulation. It's 5/8, 3/8, and 5/8. All right, cool. Don't forget your soap bubbles, Dave. Come on, man. All right, NorCal's tip of the day. When you see this in openings, usually means you got a rodent problem. The old steel wool in the holes. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. Well, the H.V.A.C D-Tech 3 worked really good on that job. Did you guys see that? I'm leaving the job site right now, so I'm pretty stoked. That worked out pretty damn good. Talk to the owner. I'm going to get her a quote tomorrow for the coil, and we'll see if we can't get a change-out video. So hit the like button. If you haven't yet, click the subscribe and click that indication bell so you can get notifications when I post up a new video. See you on the next one.